All right, welcome back, everybody. It's JP with Max Tr3 Revival, and I've been trying to figure out how to get some stuff done on the 62, which is that car right there. So I was trying to get it started up, and I'm a little hesitant. I don't know 100% what to do. I got to check the wiring and some other things. My times have been a little limited, and I was trying to find some of the parts. Found some boxes over on the far side that had some parts in them. Switched gears and kind of figured out that I need to polish up a few things and just look at some parts. I started working on that. I got the 58, this one down here, that I need to, get back on some of the metal work on it. I'm gonna probably split some time in between the two. I know I said I was gonna try and really shoot for getting this one started, but I need some parts and everything. So long story short is, so I fired up the old computer here to update some of the items that I had found and just double check some of the parts that I know I have. Haven't been through the boxes lately, so I've been doing that. And then I had parts for both of these that are in boxes, and I don't have them labeled as such, so I need to kind of break that down. This is a little preview of some other items that I have been doing. We'll go ahead and jump on in, and I'll show you what I've been working on. All right? All right, so just trying to check and find what I got. So the rings on these, I don't know, it's crazy. It looks like they were spray painted over somehow, which explains the paint on the trim rings. So I'm pretty sure these are the original buckets and the original headlights. So I just wanted to see if they were working. So I just got a little piece of wire, and I got a spare battery over there hidden up on top. So I'm just gonna set you up here, hook this up, and see if these work. If so, I'll just label them as good. All right, so I just got the wire hooked to the back, and battery sitting right here. So we'll just prop this up, lit that thing up. There's smoke on the inside of it. Weird. It's burning off whatever was in there. Who knows? I did that on both the lights, so I'm just gonna get all the dust and this stuff off and clean them up. Clean up this excess paint around this ring as well, because when that's mounted and you clip the other trim ring on, it's, I don't know how much of this you'll see, but just want to make sure it's good. All right, just a little before and after. There's my it's my alert dog. Hang on. What? Sit. Quit your griping. It's just somebody walking in the court. All right, back to this. You can see on this one, that's a before. That's an after. Not sure about the paint. I think that'll be covered by the trim ring. So we should be good. I'm gonna work on this other one. But I wonder if it might have gotten tagged a little bit and then resprayed just on like a corner or the front, because there's an awful lot of paint on here. The trim pieces that were up around the front end. So, but I'm gonna keep cleaning, see if we can't get to the bottom, and then go from there. I did hook up this headlight, and just to see if it worked, and it got all cloudy and a little smoky on the inside. I don't know if that's just the element heating up or what, or the bulb's actually bad. We'll see. I'm gonna wait until I get it all back together and then plug it back up and see if it just continues to do that. But all right, well, I was trying to see if I could get this thing smoking on video. I'm still in the middle. There you go. You can see it on the bottom. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe it's years of dirt and whatever else burning off on the inside. There we go. Hope that showed up because that's really weird. We can see this, but it left a ring like on the inside right there. Maybe have to find a couple new bulbs. Weird. I think I'll switch it out for this one, which is the same exact style, but I don't know, maybe the other one got cracked or something, so I think I'll use this one. Decided to go ahead and clean the buckets up. That one's pretty good. This one over here had a little bit of rust on it, so I think what I'm going to do is get it as clean as I can and probably shoot a little paint inside of there. I still need to try and find this clip. I don't know if I can get just that clip or if I'm just hosed and I'll need another bucket. But if you know the answer to that question, if you can get this clip or not, let me know. I looked through a couple catalogs, but I'm not real good at finding stuff, so you know that part number, let me know. I think it's spring steel. So I did post my question on a Facebook page and got a response pretty quickly. I'd like to say thanks for everybody that chimed in. All right, there we go. A little bit of a difference. One more thing I can pack away. That came out pretty good. I got 2 good bulbs. I've tested both of those. I got the buckets and the trim rings, the outer bracket that holds the headlights in. So I didn't even have it on the board. I guess I'll just take little victories at this time.